Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to make ice cream from custard powder. First, gather your ingredients: custard powder, milk, sugar, and any flavorings you desire. You'll also need an ice cream maker for the best, smoothest results. This method is fantastic for achieving a wonderfully creamy texture and a rich, satisfying flavor, making homemade ice cream accessible and delicious. It's a simple process that yields impressive treats. To prepare your custard base, first mix your custard powder with a small amount of cold milk, creating a smooth, lump-free paste. Next, heat the remaining milk and sugar in a saucepan until it's just simmering. Gradually whisk in your custard paste, ensuring it's fully incorporated. Continue to cook this mixture gently over medium heat, stirring constantly, until it thickens to a pourable custard consistency, similar to a thin pudding. Once your custard base is ready, it's crucial to chill it thoroughly. Place it in the refrigerator for at least 4 hours or even overnight until it's completely cold. This step is vital for proper churning. Then, pour the cold custard into your ice cream maker and churn it according to the manufacturer's instructions, usually for 20 to 30 minutes. The result will be a soft serve consistency, which you then transfer to a freezer-safe container for final hardening. Now for the fun part, customizing your ice cream. After churning, you can fold in various flavorings. Try adding 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, a half cup of chocolate chips, or a 1/4 cup of chopped nuts. Swirl in fruit purees, a ribbon of caramel, or crushed cookie pieces for endless delicious combinations. Remember to check the description for a link to the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum and other great deals. Enjoy your homemade, creamy custard ice cream.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.